Man, with the powers of this 22 block right here and this technology, man, I'm about to be unstoppable. This light work right here, it ain't no computer systems or security that I'm not capable of breaking into. Yo, I'm taking all this.
Breaking news. 22 Block artist and producer The Konspericie is on the run. Wanted for hacking and developing dangerous tech. Authorities warn he's highly skilled and extremely dangerous. They have a location on him. He's in a hidden lab on 22nd Street where they hope to find his illegal technologies.
Yo, this a banger right here. While they out here looking for me, I'm in the studio working on this music.
Nationwide alert. Locate the Konspericie. Terminate on sight. No safe houses, no second chances. The enemy ends tonight. We have eyes everywhere. 22 Blocks Ghost won't outrun this. Gear up and shut it down tonight.
These pigs really sent drones and everything.
What message do you have for The Konspericie?
We will find you and take you down. That's a promise.
I don't think they ready for this.